back to my very first grocery haul and meal plan for the year of 2021. I'm so excited to be filming this video today. I feel like going into this year, it just hasn't been the same as every other year. I'm normally setting, New Year's resolutions, getting really excited about the new year, thinking about what I'm going to do and achieve in that year. And I just have woken up in the year of 2021 and I just feel like I'm lost, confused, and I can't bring myself to set goals, and I'm just a bit flat. And I really wanted to be honest and transparent there because I come on here and I'm normally really bubbly, but I'm just really struggling to film this intro because I'm not feeling that at the moment. So I'm hoping that it is just the year we have had, and that once things slow down and COVID disappears, I will be feeling better. Maybe it's also because I've been eating really badly. I'm trying to get a really healthy haul in this week just to sort of, reboot my system and make it a little bit more positive. I know when I eat good foods, I feel good and things like that. So I'm hoping that might help as well. It might have something to do with that. It just feels different this year. If you're feeling like that too, just know that you're not alone. And, it doesn't mean that the year's over and it's just going to be a big flop and a fail. It can always pick up next month or next week. You just never know. So yeah, I'm just really hoping that I can get myself out of this funk soon. But for now, I am here, I am filming, and I really think that YouTube is such a positive thing in my life, and I think that it is really keeping me cheery and happy, and I love coming and seeing you guys every single week. I love that you guys click on my videos and continue to watch them. It means a lot to me. So thank you for that. But quickly, if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Katrina. I am an Australian mum to 2 young kids. I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old. So we are a family of 4 here in Australia, and I do my weekly grocery haul here on this channel and meal plan, and I also like to share cleaning motivation. So if you like that kind of content, please stick around, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or if you just want to show some support, do that too. Let's get into the meal plan and I will let you know what we are having for dinner this week. Okay, so today is Saturday, so I'm going to be starting on that night. So we're just going to be making up some toasted sandwiches, and I'm going to be pairing that with some fruit on the side. We haven't had fruit in a couple days in this house, especially because we've been out a lot with New Year's and Christmas. I just haven't done a good haul and stocked up on that, so I want to get some fruits into my kids tonight before they go to bed. It is getting late, so the toasted sandwiches were also just a really easy option. And then on Sunday, we're going to be having chicken fajitas because I did grab some chicken this week, and I like to have that within the first few days after we have done the groceries, just because it doesn't always last the longest. And then on Monday, we're going to be having crunchy slaw with salt and pepper squid. I used to have that a lot for lunches when I was younger, and I used to love it so much. And as I am trying to eat a little healthier at the moment, I thought I would grab that one and give that one another try. And hopefully the kids will eat it too, but I'm not sure about that one. On Tuesday, we're going to be having ravioli bolognese, which is still going to be a staple in this house for 2021. And then on Wednesday, we're going to be having fish with roast veg. And with the leftover roast veggies, I like to make up a couple sheet pans of roast veggies and have a container in the fridge for the next night, just to make it way easier on myself. And I'm just going to be pairing that with some pie on the Thursday night. Then on Friday, we are going to be having gnocchi and garlic bread. We had gnocchi over the Christmas break and my partner really loved it and he wanted some more, so that was his request, and so I'm going to be making that this week as well. So that is everything that is on the meal plan this week. I'm just going to leave it there for a second so you can take a screenshot if you like, but then now I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got in our grocery haul. Okay, so starting over this side, I'm just going to show you some of the more pantry staples that we got. I grabbed this big value pack of 150 sandwich bags. I do like to buy home brand when I can and the cheaper stuff when I can, but sometimes it's just no good. I grabbed some home brand sandwich bags last time and they just broke every time I put stuff in the freezer with them. These are just so much better for that. I mean, for sandwiches and stuff, the cheap ones are totally fine, but for freezing things, you definitely need to get the good value ones. Otherwise, they're just going to break before you can even get the stuff out of the bag. Then I've gone ahead and grabbed these freezer bags, and that is to put all my chopped up veggies in once I do that, and put them in the freezer just to pre-prep them to make roast veggie nights a lot easier, just to throw them straight into the oven. And then I grabbed some of these magic erasers. I love this stuff. I can't recommend it enough. I clean absolutely everything that I can find with this. Anything that you think is permanent and just too far gone that can't be cleaned, grab one of these. I almost promise you that 99% of the time that this will work. So then I have gone ahead and grabbed some more dishwashing detergent. This is just the Earth brand. It is Australian, I'm pretty sure, which is what made me start getting this in the first place a few years ago, but it's $2. It's really cheap. It's bulk, and yeah, it does a great job. And I'm a hand washer here. We do not have a dishwasher, sadly. So yeah, that is the one that we have been using for a long time now, just the lemon fresh one. So then I've gone ahead and grabbed 4 bags of this ravioli. We were running low in the freezer. We do like to have a good stock of those as we do eat them every single week, and I don't think that my partner will ever get sick of those, so we always go ahead and buy those. They will never go to waste. And then to go with those, we've gone ahead and grabbed this beef bolognese. I'm normally really prepared and have some made up in the freezer, but not at the moment. As I said, with everything going on, I'm just not motivated that much to get a lot of things that I would normally get done. So I've gone ahead and grabbed that. And then to go with the gnocchi packets that we got this week, I've gone ahead and grabbed this creamy sun-dried tomato Latina fresh sauce. I'm excited to try that one. I haven't had that one before, but it looks really good, and I think that will go well with the gnocchi. I've grabbed these low GI plus protein wraps to go with the chicken fajitas that we're having this week. I've grabbed a few things for the freezer. So I've got some Prep Set Go diced onions. That's for the fajitas as well. I hate cutting up onions. If you've been here for a while, you know that. And I've grabbed a couple bags of frozen broccoli. I also have never brought fresh broccoli. I really like my vegetables roasted, so it really doesn't matter that they're frozen or fresh. To me, it still tastes the exact same. Then I've gone ahead and grabbed a box of crumbed fish fillets for one night this week. These are the salt and pepper squid that I picked up this week to go in the salad. And then I've grabbed some cereals for my toddler. I've grabbed this Milo one here that he's been asking me for a while. We ran out quite a while ago now, and I've been trying to get him to use up the Nutri-Grain that's in there, but we're about halfway through that, so I thought I would go ahead and grab him that now. And I also grabbed 2 boxes of this Messy Monkeys Choc Crunch cereal. It's kind of like a healthy version of Cocoa Pops, and he really loves that, so I'm happy to buy it for him. The Messy Monkeys brand, I love anyway. So then I've also gone ahead and stocked up on fruits and veggies as much as I can, just to get lots of them in for snacks and stuff for the kids and myself, to help us feel a little bit better and start the new year a little better off than we have already. So I've gone ahead and grabbed 4 punnets of strawberries. We all love those. I've grabbed 1 punnet of blueberries for my 1-year-old. I've grabbed a whole bag of carrots. They are going to be, some of them are going to be used for roast veggie night. And then the other ones I'm going to be cutting up and using to dip in this spicy capsicum dip as like a snack throughout the day. And then I grabbed a big watermelon for my 3-year-old. He loves that one. I grabbed some capsicums. I'm going to go ahead and cut those up, slice all 3 of those up. And I'm going to put half of those into the mix for the chicken fajita night that we're having. And then the other half, I'm going to go ahead and put that in the freezer. And I'm going to just bring that out when I have like eggs for breakfast. I can just cook them up in the fry pan with the eggs, and it just makes a bit more of a healthier breakfast. Then I've gone ahead and grabbed 2 bunches of bananas. I have grabbed 1 lettuce to have with salads this week, and I've gone ahead and grabbed a huge bunch of celery here. I like to have that with some peanut butter, and so I've just grabbed that just for another snack to go along with like the carrot sticks and the dip. I've grabbed a packet of stir-fried chicken that's to go in the chicken fajitas. I really don't like cutting up raw chicken, so this just helps that it's already sliced and things like that. And once it's fully cooked, I just go ahead and go in with scissors and chop it up a little more for the fajitas. I've gone ahead and grabbed a 12-pack of eggs. I grabbed us a 2-litre milk and these Crisp strawberry crisps. They're just like whole strawberries freeze-dried, and my toddler loves them as like a little treat snack for him sometime. And then I've got 2 loaves of bread this week, especially because we're having toasted sandwiches. That normally gets rid of 3/4 of a loaf in one night, so we also need it for sandwiches and breakfast throughout the week and things like that as well. So I've also grabbed some Philadelphia cream cheese to go on my toast in the mornings. I just sort of wanted a bit of a change from butter. I'm eating a lot of butter lately, and I just wanted to switch that up a little bit. And then I've gone ahead and grabbed 3 large sweet potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and dice those up and put them in one of these freezer bags and chuck it in the freezer just for an easy night when I do cook up those roast vegetables. It just makes it so much easier having them pre-diced and ready to go in there. I've grabbed this tangy and crunchy coleslaw kit. This one comes with like crunchy noodles in it, which is what I love the most about these, and that just goes so good in with those salt and pepper squid. Like, it's such a good meal. And it also has like the dressing in there too, so you really don't have to worry about anything. You just make this up, cook up the squid, and it just goes together so simply. I've gone ahead and grabbed 4 kiwi fruits. My 1-year-old hasn't tried kiwi fruit yet, so I thought I would grab those. If she doesn't like them, I'll eat them. I love them, so that won't be a problem. They won't get wasted. I grabbed 2 avocados, and I gotta tell you, I'm so happy about these avocados. They are huge. Like, it must be the season for them, because I haven't seen an avocado this big in so long, and since they always cost an absolute fortune, it makes me really happy that for what I'm paying for, I'm actually getting enough to last me a couple days out of 1 avocado. So that makes me really happy to see that finally. And then I've grabbed this big kilo bag of green apples. I normally ask my toddler every week what he wants out of green or red apples, and he's chosen green this week, which I'm happy about because I'm a green apple lover. Let me know in the comments down below if you like green or red apples. What team are you on? So that is everything that is in our grocery haul this week. I hope you have gone ahead and added your guesstimate down below of what you think these groceries cost us this week for my family of 4 here in Australia. So it was $193.10. If you guessed that right, congratulations. But before I go, I just wanted to say that I appreciate it so much that you guys are still clicking on my videos and supporting my channel here in 2021. It truly means a lot to me. And I really hope that you all are having a great positive start to this new year, regardless of everything going on. And if you're not and you are struggling at the moment, just know that I'm thinking of of you, and I am really sorry for whatever it is that you're going through. I have you in my thoughts, and know that I am here. I'll be here every week, and if you need a friend or someone to talk to, I am over on Instagram at mummacat20. You can find me there. I will leave that down in my description box though if you need. But other than that, I hope you all are having a fantastic day, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye!
You said that you needed me like a car